Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have something very interesting for you, as I'm going to be introducing to you two applications that has been proven and tested, and many people have actually become a millionaire using these two applications. I'm not going to be wasting your time, so I'm just going to dive right in. So which two applications am I going to be talking about today? The two applications which I'm going to be talking about today are applications which I have used myself. I have been using them for a long time right now, and I've been able to earn at least good amount of passive income from this application. So, what are the two applications? The two applications which I'm talking about is TikTok and YouTube. Yes, you heard that right. Many people use TikTok and YouTube every day, and every month they are actually smiling because of the money that comes to their account at the end of the month. Of course, YouTube does not wait to the end of the month before they pay you. So let's just look at how you can actually earn on this platform. So the first question is, why these two platforms? Why are we talking about these two platforms? Of course, we could have talked about Twitter, or no, X as it's called right now, or we could actually have talked about Facebook. But then YouTube and TikTok are two applications which many people have tested, which I am using. Of course, I'm introducing what I've using to you, and they've actually earned from this platform. So TikTok, YouTube, they are just good at what they do. So how can you actually earn from this platform? Through brand deals, through drop shipping, through affiliate links. If you don't know what affiliate link is when you actually promote a product for a website, and then you are promoting a product for a website, and then you get a personal link, and once people use your link to buy from this particular product, you get a percentage of this money. So that is how it works. That is what affiliate marketing is, and that you do on TikTok and you also do on YouTube. So how do you make money from YouTube? So I'm going to be splitting it into two, and then I'm going to be talking about TikTok first, and I'm going to be talking about YouTube first, and then I will come back to TikTok. So how do you make money on YouTube? Of course, you already know that YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. But recently, they've actually dropped it to 3,000 watch hour. So if you already have 3,000 watch hour, you can already start making money on YouTube. So it is now more easy than how it started. I remember when the likes of when we actually started, we actually need to get 4,000 watch hour before we could start any money. Right now, it's even 3,000 watch hour. If you don't know how to get 3,000 watch hour, just wait, because I have something interesting for you at the end of the video. So you need to watch the video to the end, because I have something interesting for you, and I'm going to be showing you how easy or what you can do to actually achieve this in no time. So how do you make money on YouTube? Of course, you already know about AdSense. AdSense is YouTube puts in some adverts on your video, and then you get a percentage from this video. Sometimes it's 50-40, so 50 to you, 40 to YouTube, or 40 to you, 50 to YouTube. That is how it's done. So if you've been watching YouTube video, you've seen some video. When you start the video, you see some advert at the beginning, maybe in the middle of the video also you see some adverts, and maybe during the video you just see some adverts popping up. This is how YouTubers actually earn money, because this advert which you watch is a money for them. So there's a amount of money that YouTube or advertiser actually pay for 1,000 views, 10,000 views, 50,000 views. How much they pay, because this advert is being shown on your video 10,000 times, and then they are paying you for that. So that is how it works with YouTube. So another way which you can actually earn money on YouTube is affiliate marketing, which I actually mentioned before. So what is affiliate marketing? I'm going to repeat again. Affiliate marketing is you promoting a product. Let's say, for example, Samsung come to me, and then they'll be like, oh, because you actually use Samsung. Okay, I'm just advertising myself right now. Because you use Samsung, and then we want to form a partnership with you, and we are going to be giving you a unique link or a code. And when people use this your link to buy any of our products, you get a particular percentage. So let's say this product is 500 euros, and then I get 10%. So let's say the D was 10%. That means I get 50 euros. So imagine if 50,000 people buy this product with my link. Okay, maybe I'm too greedy, but let's say 10,000 people or 1K people buy this product with my link. So you just have to multiply 50 euros times 1K, and you know how much that is. So that is what affiliate marketing is. So another one is brand deals. So maybe some brands, they give you their products for you to test them, or and then you make review about the product, and then you just promote this brand. You see some outlets, they have they make brand deals with Nike, Adidas, some do. So they also make money from this. So that is how you can actually earn money on on YouTube. So how do you make money on TikTok? There's something on TikTok which is called the Creator Fund. Yeah, Creator Fund is something like AdSense for YouTube. So, but you only get qualified for this Creator Fund just like the way YouTube have their own condition when you have 10K followers and 100,000 views in the last 30 days. So 10K followers and 100,000 views. But trust me, getting 10K follower is actually easy if you know the tactics to use, which is why you actually need to wait to the end of this video, because I have something for you and you don't want to miss it. So how else do you also earn money from TikTok? You can also earn money on TikTok via affiliate marketing. Yes, affiliate marketing also works on TikTok. It is very, very easy to go viral on TikTok. If you use TikTok, then you will know. So I have a course for you. Which is hosted by Online Course Hub, and they are offering a 2 weeks course. So this is what I have for you. Just wait. They are offering a 2 week course on TikTok and YouTube, and then they are going to be showing you how to actually grow, because some of you already wonder, how do I get 10K followers, or how do I get 1,000 subscribers? They are going to show you how you can actually get 10K followers and 1,000 subscribers in no time, and then you can actually start making money on these two platforms. I'm going to be showing you how you can actually contact them. But before I show you that, my name is Akere. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button, because you want to come back, and because I always have videos every week for you. And of course, you don't want to miss out on the information which I'm dropping. So hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and share this video with somebody who you think might actually need it. So why do we need both platforms? We could have just said, okay, let's use YouTube alone, or let's just use TikTok alone. So why do you use both platforms? If you watch, people on TikTok, they actually love short videos. They just want to swipe. They just want to swipe, and then they are gone. And this is why the strategy comes in. And this strategy is, we are going to be using TikTok to go viral. And by the time our video goes viral, we are going to be leading them to the full video on YouTube. We go viral on TikTok, and then we are going to be leading the audience which are watching that video. So let's imagine our video have 200,000 views. And if we are going to be leading these 200,000 views to YouTube, where they can watch the full video. Our video on TikTok maybe is 1 minute, then on YouTube we are going to be having maybe 6 minutes, 8 minute video, and then they are going to come back and watch the full video. And once they watch the full video, then you start making your money. So like I said, it is easy to go viral on TikTok, but then YouTube is the cow which we are actually going to make. So do you want to learn how to do this? And this is where I'm going to be ending. Do you want to learn how to do this? Do you want to learn how to grow your account very fast? This is why this ultimate YouTube and TikTok masterclass, this is why you are trying to learn it. You can see the flyer right there on my screen, and you can actually reach them on the WhatsApp number which is displayed in the flyer. I'm going to put it again on the screen so you can actually see it more broadly. So set up your affiliate marketing. How do you set up your affiliate marketing? Which are the platform which you can actually get affiliate marketing? I already made a video about that. You can also check out that video. But then also attend this masterclass, because they're going to tell you how you can get affiliate marketing and how you can use them. So, and lastly, how you can also get brand deals, because this one, my friend, this one, they are actually key for you to earn so much on social media. And this is where I'm going to be ending the video. My name is Akere. If you've not subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't also forget to like this video. Until I catch you in the next one, stay cool. If you have any question, don't forget to drop them in the comment section, as I'll be answering all your questions. Don't forget the online course of don't forget to chat them up on WhatsApp, and they are going to be showing you everything which you actually need for you to start earning massively from this particular platform. Until I catch you in the next one. Bye for now, guys, and stay cool.